Here I am rowing with one hand, the oar with one hand, getting ready to go over the rapids. You can see Linda ahead already in the rapids. I hope I don't drop my camera in the water. I'm going over big rocks. Oh, wow. Oh, man. Woo! Uh-oh. My butt's too big. Got stuck on that rock. There we go. I need one of those head cams. Here I go. Oh my. Going over. Woo! Woo! Yay! Oh, this is so nifty. Nifty's a real 70s word. Of course, I'm a 70s girl. Yay! What a birthday adventure! Here come the big rapids. Oh my goodness. Trying to paddle with one hand. Hold the camera with the other. Uh-oh, big waves. Oh my gosh. Woo! Woo! Ah! Okay. Now I'm going backwards. Okay, I'm going backwards down the river. That's because I can't turn around because I'm shooting video. Another splashing. Woo! Okay. Yeah. Oh man, here we go. All right. That was a big flop. Whoa! Okay. All right.
You want me to get the thing?
No, if you can get the paddle. Okay. Wipe out. I'm in the water. All right, I'm floating downstream with a kayak full of water. Maybe I'm gonna get to a rock. There's my kayak full of water. Hi! Uh-huh. Do what?
Over there.
Go over to the left? Oh. Okay. All right. I'm gonna try to swim to that shore over there. about having lunch over here? In the big rocks.
Great idea. And that nice cave, we could build a fire. Real cave girls. It's very deep here. You get on shore, I'll get there. I want you to take my picture in the water.
Oh, great.
It's still on video, just shoot.
Oh, it's getting a good picture of my boob, huh? Hold it up right.
I see it. I see you.
I hope it's not sideways. Okay.
This way you want it?
Yeah. Oh, hi.
Nice and refreshing.
Okay. Woo.
Alright, you can pull me in then.
Right. Thank you. Okay. That was pretty exciting.
Uh-huh.
Wow. My first wipeout. I don't know what there's my glasses. Wait. Okay. Oh man. Okay. All right. Guess we're gonna stop for lunch. You got a dry towel at least. Oh my gosh. Look at this. No, it's not. Is yours? Oh. No. No, mine doesn't have a stopper. Okay. There's the river where we're going. There's the rapids where I wiped out. Happy birthday to me.